Hey, I'm Jeff from Phocas. Do you find yourself dreading budgeting? The thought of spending days, even weeks gathering data? Manually entering figures and managing multiple versions can leave you feeling exhausted before you've even begun. It makes you wonder if there's a better way, doesn't it? In this video, I'll show you how Phocas simplifies and streamlines the budgeting process, automatically pulling in your data and getting a budget started in no time. In Phocas, you can create a financial or operational budget. Here, I'm going to create a financial budget. I set the budget name and access controls. Because Phocas connects directly to your ERP and other data sources, you're tapping into all your financial data in one place. Unlike Excel, I have line-level security, allowing me to share only specific budget lines with contributors. Plus, I can have multiple budget administrators, which means improved security and governance. I'm setting up a July-June budget, but you can select any period you like. You can even do a multi-year budget like 5 years or a rolling budget, or customize the period to suit you. Because it's connected to my P&L, I can start with historical actuals or bring in a previous budget or forecast. I could start at zero if I wanted. I'll budget in local value and base the budget off the last 12 months of actuals. Setting up my budget structure is simple and flexible. I can budget at up to 8 levels based on the options in the underlying database. In this example, I'll begin by budgeting by category. Since I manage multiple subsidiaries, I'll add by trading entity as the next level, though this could just as easily be branch or brand. To track department performance, I'll also budget at the department level. So here I have my baseline P&L budget, which has been populated with last year's actuals from the financial database. As a starting point for the new budget, I structured the budget with my 3 subsidiaries and the departments underneath. And it didn't take long at all. With Phocas, you can get a baseline budget started in no time. No more dreading that budgeting season. Are you interested in hearing more about what Phocas budgets and forecasts can do for your business? Talk to our team or request a customized demo today.